those people, the workers, the dreamers, the doers, the thinkers, for the searchers, the creators, and all those who run their own lives. This is for everyone who follows their heart, who values freedom over security. This is for entrepreneurs who see the whole world as their office. This is business. This is